In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use your phone as Roku remote with the Roku mobile app. Let's get started. First, go to the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Search for the Roku mobile app, download and install it on your phone. Make sure your Roku device and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is important, otherwise the app won't find your Roku. Open the Roku app. It will automatically search for nearby Roku devices. When you see your Roku TV or streaming stick listed, tap to connect. Once connected, tap the remote icon at the bottom of the app. You will now see a virtual remote on your phone screen with navigation arrows, a home button, and even voice search options. You can also use the app to type faster with your phone's keyboard, launch channels, or even listen privately with headphones to your phone. And that's it. Now your phone can fully control your Roku device, just like the regular remote. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.